Hi, Tony Bear, Venice, California. Today I saw two seagulls and I thought they were fighting, but they were not fighting. They were trying to show who was the strongest. And it was amazing. And I guess they were fighting over turf, but they wasn't trying to hurt each other. It was about who is the strongest. I never saw anything like this in my entire life, you know. Because at first you just think it's going to be a fight, it's a fight, it's a fight, you know. But you watch really careful and it's all about who's the strongest. And these are two huge seagulls that probably come to the same spot every day and are fighting for turf. Not fighting, who is the strongest. So let's take a little break from the homeless videos and do something different right now. Here's the video.